Hello, today we will guide you through how to see daily P&L on Thinkorswim. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your day's profit and loss, so you can quickly understand how your positions are performing. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform. Give it a moment to load your account and positions. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief sync before data appears. If you're prompted to log in, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on one of the main workspace tabs at the top of the platform. Next, click on the Monitor tab at the top. This tab is your command center for what's happening in your account today. It's where you'll find trade activity, working orders, and most importantly, your current positions. If your window is small and you don't immediately see Monitor, look for a horizontal list of tabs and scroll or widen the window until Monitor becomes visible. With the Monitor tab open, focus on the Positions or Position Statement area. On the right-hand side of the Positions table, look for the column labeled PL Day. This is your daily profit and loss, and it shows how much each open position has gained or lost since the market session began. You'll typically see a value on each symbol's row, and at the bottom or top of the section, there's often a total that sums your PL Day across all positions. Positive values usually display in green and negatives in red, making it easy to scan at a glance. If you don't see PL Day immediately, try expanding the window or scrolling the table horizontally. Columns can be off-screen on smaller displays. You can also drag column dividers to widen the view so numbers aren't truncated. Keep in mind that PL Day updates with live market data when available, and values can fluctuate quickly while markets are open. If you're looking during extended hours or when data is delayed, the numbers may refresh less frequently. A couple of helpful notes for interpreting what you see. PL Day resets at the start of each trading session, so it reflects only today's change, not your total gain or loss over time. Option and futures positions may show larger swings because of contract multipliers, and open orders that haven't filled won't affect PL Day until they become positions. If you're comparing totals, remember that commissions, fees, and dividends can influence performance depending on your account's settings. That's it. Open Thinkorswim, click Monitor, and look to the right for PL Day to see how you're doing today.